Japan. The majestic wonders, Naena Waterfall and Mount Fuji. Welcome to Naena Waterfall, a natural wonder nestled deep in the heart of Japan for centuries. People have been drawn to its mesmerizing beauty, marveling at the raw power and majesty of this incredible force of nature at a height of Japan. Naena Waterfall is one of the tallest waterfalls in the region. The rushing waters plunge down a series of rocky tiers before cascading into a tranquil pool at the base of the falls. Despite its beauty, Naena Waterfall can also be a treacherous place, and respect for nature's power. But Naena Waterfall is more than just a stunning natural wonder. It's also home to a diverse array of plant and animal life, many of which are unique to this region. This rare flower, pink snapdragon, can only be found here at Naena Waterfall. Its delicate petals and vibrant colors make it a true gem of the natural world. And up in the trees, we can see a bird that has adapted to life in the rugged terrain of the waterfall's surroundings. Its unique features and behaviors are a testament to the ingenuity of nature. Even the rocks and boulders surrounding the waterfall are teeming with life. This lizard, for instance, has found a sunny spot to bask in the warmth of the afternoon sun. Throughout the year, Naena Waterfall undergoes dramatic changes. In the rainy season, the waterfall swells with water, transforming into a raging torrent. But during the dry season, the waterfall's flow slows to a trickle. Revealing the intricate patterns and textures of the rocks and boulders beneath. As the sun sets on Naena Waterfall, its raw energy and diversity of life inspire us to explore and protect our natural world for generations to come. Meanwhile, on the horizon lies another natural wonder, Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji, the highest peak in Japan. Its majestic presence has inspired artists, poets, and adventurers for centuries. From the top of Mount Fuji, one can see for miles in every direction. The sunrise, with its brilliant colors and striking contrast against the mountain's snow-capped peak, is a breathtaking sight to behold. But climbing Mount Fuji is no easy feat. The steep ascent and changeable weather require determination, strength, and careful planning. Yet, The reward for those who make the journey is a sense of accomplishment and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Throughout the year, Mount Fuji changes its appearance, reflecting the shifting seasons and weather patterns. In the winter, the mountain is blanketed in snow and ice, while in the summer, hikers can see the colorful alpine flowers that bloom along the trails. Both Naena Waterfall and Mount Fuji are awe-inspiring examples of nature's beauty and power. And until next time, I'm Sharfin Aleman Tusher, reminding you to cherish and protect our planet's natural wonders. From the majestic Mount Fuji to the awe-inspiring Naena Waterfall, join me in the effort to preserve our planet's beauty and diversity for generations to come.